Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to our SPI online class of class 11 mathematics. Today, I am going to discuss about next part of sets. Let's start. Today, at first, I am going to discuss various type of operation of sets. First, what is union and what is intersection? Union and intersection. Diagrammatically, or English mathematician John Venn discovered this method. That's why the name of this type of method is Venn diagram. Suppose universal set, this set A, this set B, then its union of two sets means this portion is denoted by union of two sets, and A union B, this sign is known as union. It is union, A union B. Again, universal set, set A, set B. This portion is common portion to both A and B. This portion is A intersection B. This portion A intersection B. This side union and this side intersection. Opposite of U, and U sign union. And universal set, in case of universal set, U sign also. So, therefore, union means the sum of, actually the sum of two sets. And intersection means the common portion or common term of two sets A and B. And when you solve this type of problem with the help of this type of figure, that is called Venn diagram. Now, some property of operation of union set. A union B equal to B union A. A union B equal to B union A. Next, A union B union C, C another set equal to A union B union C. A union B union C equal to A union B union C. A union phi equal to A, and A union A equal to A, and universal set union A equal to universal set. Okay. Now, I solve few problems. First problem, a set x equal to 1, 3, 5 and another set y equal to 1, 2, 3. Find union of the two sets. Here you write x union y equal to 1, 3, 5 union y, that means 1, 2, 3. So its union 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3. So x union y equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5 within set. Next, a set A equal to x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than equal to 6 and another set b equal to x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. Find A union B. Here A equal to x such that x is a natural number and x 1 less than x less than 6. That means A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and B equal to B is also a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10, less than x less than 10. That means 7, 8, 9. Okay, so A union B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means therefore A union B equal to, by property method, x such that x is a natural number and x from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means x greater than 1, less than 10 or less than equal to 9. Okay. X is a natural, A union B equal to x such that x is a natural number, 1 less than equal to less than x and less than equal to 9. 2, x is greater than 1 That means 2 natural number 2 and x less than equal to 9. So last term 9. All natural number between 1 and 10. Okay. Next. A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. D equal to 15, 17. Find A intersection B union D equal to A means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection. B means 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13 union. D means 15, 17 equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection union 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and its intersection 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. Okay. So A intersection B union D equal to 7, 9, 11. Understood everybody? And suppose here A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, find A minus B and B minus A. Okay, here A minus B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 common term, so cancel. 15, 18, 21. It is A minus B. And number 2, B minus A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is the base set, minus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. A set equal to 4, 8, 12 count down, 16, 20 is the B minus A. I think you understood everybody. Now I am going to discuss about complement of a set. Complement of a set. Suppose a set, a universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 5, and a set within universal set A equal to suppose 1, 3, 5. So A complement which is denoted by AC or A dot and read as A complement. A complement equal to U minus A. Actually it is equal to, so U minus A equal to this A term vanish from universal set, so 2, 5, sorry 2, 4. 2, 4 is the A complement. If again I do complement, that means A complement, that means it is equal to U minus this term, U minus A complement, U minus A complement, that is equal to vanish 2, 4 term from universal set, that means 1, 3, 5 left, 1, 3, 5, it is equal to A set, that means A complemented whole complement equal to A. Understood everybody? It is called complement of a set. Now I am going to discuss a few properties of complement of a set. Number 1, A union A complement equal to universal set. A intersection A complement equal to 5. And A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. And A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union of B complement, and these two property is known as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement, and A complement whole complement equal to A, which I discussed just few seconds ago. Now universal set equal to a set, universal set equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and find the complement of the following sets. Number 1, A equal to A, B, C. Number 2, B equal to D, E, F, G. C. Here, number 1, solution. A complement equal to U minus A. That means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A, B, C. That means D, E, F, G, H. And B complement number 2, B complement equal to U minus B. That means D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. That is B complement equal to A, B, C, H. Okay, it is B complement and it is A complement. Next problem. Universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Universal set. A 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And B 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, verify it. Say solution A union B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 A set union 2, 3, 5, 7 B set. So to union 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now A union B complement equal to U minus A union B. That means the term 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 subtracted from whole universal set. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal to 1, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the union B set. So A union B complement equal to 1, 9. Now A complement equal to U minus A. U set from 1 to 9 and A set 2, 4, 6, 8. So A complement equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A complement and B complement equal to U minus B. B set is a 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So U minus B equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. B complement. Now A complement intersection B complement equal to A complement 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and intersection B complement 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So two intersection only we see one term and 1, 3, 5, 7 not in here. Here 1 common term and 9 common term. 1, 9. So we see that A union B complement equal to 1, 9 and A complement intersection B complement equal to 1, 9. Therefore, or hence, A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Prove. Understood everybody? Now suppose it is a universal set. Here A and B, two disjoint set. So here A union B, if there are n number of terms and here also n number of terms, then total number of terms A union B equal to NA plus NB. Okay, NA A union B equal to NA plus NB. If here universal set A set and B set, this portion A intersection B, this portion here in A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay, if two sets are disjoint set, then A union B equal to NA plus NB, and here if intersection present from two sets, you get then A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Now try to solve a problem. A group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? I read once again, carefully listen. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Let people like coffee equal to NA, and people like tea equal to NB, then in A union B equal to 70, because it is given that in a group of 70 people, that means total number of people 70, 37 like coffee, that means in A equal to 37 number of coffee like in A, and in B equal to number of tea like tea 52. You have to find, and it is also given that each person like at least one of the two drinks. In a group of 70 people like coffee, 37 people and 52 number of people like tea, and each people like one of the two drinks. Okay, and you have to find how many people like both coffee and tea. So you have to find in A intersection B. Okay, in A intersection B, we know in A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Here NA union B equal to 70, NA equal to 37, NB equal to 52 minus NA intersection B. That means NA intersection B equal to 89 minus 70. So NA intersection B equal to 19. Okay. So how many people like both coffee and tea? So 19 people like both coffee and tea. Okay, 19 people like both coffee and tea. In this way you solve few more problems. Okay, in your home. It is very easy portion. So that's all for today. Thank you.